Using Zoom for lessons can be quite advantageous if we have the audio set up properly. Now, if you have the desktop application, all you have to do is go over here and click on settings. This is the little wheel. Get yourself there, go straight to audio. Once in audio, sometimes this is clicked. You want to automatically adjust microphone volume to be unchecked. Raise your microphone level all the way to the top and then head to the bottom here and click on advanced. Make sure you click in show in-meeting option for enable original sound. Original sound is what we want. This is the sound that has not been treated by the algorithm of the software to turn it into a voice-only feature, which basically clips or kills any sound we make in our instruments, right? You want to also disable suppress persistent background noise. You also want to disable suppress intermittent background noise. This will enable us to have wonderful lessons with our students where we can actually hear what they are playing. Now, the issue arises when the student does not have a computer, a PC, or a Mac where they can actually change those settings. This has recently been fixed by the Zoom people. Let me explain how. Start by opening the Zoom app. That is the little wheel that you find either to the bottom left or the bottom right of your screen. Once you are in there, just go ahead and tap on meeting settings and scroll all the way down to use original sound. Make sure you enable that, and that is going to provide you with the ability to hear everything your students are playing and not have the sound be distorted, as we so have been accustomed to in the recent past. That's all there is to it.